So let's talk about how to reset preferences of Adobe Photoshop Elements. Basically, there are three ways to do it. Let me show you the first way. So this is your welcome screen. Let's open Adobe Photoshop Elements. This is your expert mode. You can see at the top right hand side. Now you have to click Edit. Under Edit, you have to see Preferences, and then you have to click General. Now you see a pop-up message. Here you have three buttons. Click the topmost button, read the pop-up message there, and click OK. Click OK at the top right hand side again and close the software completely. Restart the software and it's ready to use. Now let's see the second one. Open Photoshop Elements again. Now hold the three keys on your keyboard that are Control, Shift and Alt. Press and hold them and do not leave them until you see a pop-up. This is the pop-up you have to see. Read it and click Yes. Now let's see the third one. In this third step, you have to click the Start button, type Run to open the Run command. Now, in the Run command box, you have to type the command %appdata% and click OK. It will redirect you to a directory where you have to search for the folder of Adobe. Inside it, you will see there should be a dedicated folder of Adobe Photoshop Elements. You have to rename it to Photoshop Elements.old and hit enter. Once you do it, you can restart the software and it's ready to use. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.